Right here's the Jockey Club, so they do horse racing. There's a lot of cool stuff to say about this one, horse racing in Macau. It's actually kind of interesting too that I can see it from this subway station right here. So this is on the relatively small rail line. All right, I'll tell you all about this in a minute. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Yeah, this is active horse races right here, which is kind of interesting, right? Because it's right near the casinos. There's Galaxy right over there, Venetian. Those buildings are all kind of new to the right. Don't know the plans for those. I don't know if those is residential or businesses or a little bit of mix of both. But yeah, they all they're all this horse racetrack is right in this area, and we're also near the station as well. So I think what we're gonna do in this one is maybe talk about the horse races a little bit. Just kind of show you, like, so they have the train line. Looks like they're doing more construction everywhere around here as well. Got the Jockey Club station, and we're gonna keep on walking down this way a little bit. So Taipa Pequena, that's the mountain that's directly on this other side. There's a mountain. It's called Taipa Pequena. Just see, here's the train line. I think we're gonna go down though. And this building right here, on the other side of this building, is called Taipa Pequena, which is a mountain, small mountain, and the name of the mountain is Taipa Pequena. That's more construction down here. Just gonna take this little baby. A little bit of the train line. That's Taipa downtown, so you can see that proper. We'll try to see a bit more of that because we're gonna go down this little elevator right here. If you're curious about Macau stuff, everything's in Chinese and Portuguese and English. Let's go down. And okay, don't smoke in here. There's only 2 floors, not much else in here. If you need some help in the elevators, that's about it. Being watched by a camera. You're being watched by a camera with this one as well, so I guess it's mutual. Okay, so we're gonna head on out this way. We did some construction here. So yeah, it looks like they're doing some construction in this area. See this building here. And that's kind of part of the station right there. Nice building. They've been building quite a bit here, so it'll be interesting to see the end product, because at the moment it's kind of hard to conceive of what exactly it's going to look like. We're going to come around to the minute in a minute, and then you can also see the Jockey Club. Let's see what they're doing over here first. Okay. Well, it should be nice when it's fully built. And right here, it goes right downtown, and that's the Jockey Club right there. That's the outside of it. You got some horse things like that up there. Some construction right in here. What we're gonna do in a minute, show you this little alley, and then we're gonna show you that up above as well. So you see that one? That goes up to Taipa Pequena. So right where that train line is at, you can have access to a mountain. There's Jockey Club straight that way. Kind of nice balconies up there. So from here, of course, we could take the stairs to go all the way up, but you can also take this elevator right here. Thought I pressed it already. And we're gonna head on up there. And I think we'll try to see if we can capture the Jockey Club from up there. Let's see if we can or not. So we're gonna go up another elevator and then we're gonna overlook that whole thing and see what that looks like. Okay, got another elevator. The same stuff. Contact information, need our services, vigilant security, no smoking. Could fit 14 people in here, 1,000 kilograms, 14 small people. Okay, so let's head on out. And now we can overlook Jockey Club from this area over here. We're gonna just come this way, and there's a Jockey Club right there. So you can see it here, and then that's the other side of this building right here. And that's all the way down. And then we have this one, and we also have this one on this side too, right? So yeah, this wall, you can't even see the Jockey Club at all, right? You can just barely see it through that one little sliver. But this is kind of cool, so another little sights to Macau. Let's just go back a little bit and film it from this side, and then we'll end the video. Got some other hills up here, so you can keep on going, climbing up to Taipa, Pequena, and there's some trails up at the top. Trails are not that far away. It might take about 10 or 15 minutes to walk up to the beginning of the trail, then you can walk all the way around and you can see some really amazing views from up there. And we're gonna end it right there, so hope you like that one as well.